I'm already crying a little bit, so this is gonna be rough. Okay. A good friend once gave me some amazing advice. She told me that if I ever thought about marrying someone, I should ask myself whether or not I would want to raise a child that had their personality. Well, I asked myself that question, and the idea of lanky kids running around with curly brown hair and your goofy antics and selfless heart makes me indescribably happy.
And Zach was telling me he saw her from across the room and he just had to talk to her. And he asked her if she would like to study with him. To which she replied, sure. When would you like to do that? He said, every day. And that's how it was.
So one day, Brianna calls me and tells me that she met a guy named Zach. As the older sister, it's naturally my job to look out for your baby sister, so I was a little bit guarded and wanted to make sure this guy wasn't going to break her heart. I've gotten to know Zach over the last several years, and I can see how much you love each other and how much he means to you.
Rochelle, you are amazing in every sense of the word, and you are the person that never fails to put a smile on my face, never fails to brighten my day, even in the toughest of moments. And I am so excited to be here today, standing across from you in disbelief that I get to marry the love of my life, my best friend, my soulmate, someone as special and unbelievable as you.
Thank you all so much for coming today. It's always heartwarming to see such a group of people coming to genuinely wish for the happiness of two individuals who come together as one.
Zachary, you know how I pray every day at 11:11? And how I express what I'm thankful for? It's always you.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely.
Those of you that know him, you know Zach has the last word in every conversation, and the first word and the middle word. That is Zach's hobby, the debate. And we thought, wow, who is he going to marry? And he's met his equal, and she holds her own.
I am so happy and blessed beyond belief to know that you two are husband and wife and that we'll get to share so much time and memories that we can make together.
Zach, you are smart, kind, and, well, patient, which is an important characteristic when you're with Brianna. I'm so happy for the both of you. I can't wait to see your love grow as you face life together. I wish you a lifetime of happiness.
In the time that I've spent together with Zach and Rochelle, it's clear to me that they have a very special relationship. I've witnessed a bond and a friendship between them that is truly uncommon.
Today, I vow to love you through the mountaintops and the valleys, through the tears and the laughter, through the thick and the thin, and the struggle and the triumph. I vow all of this to you, the love of my life for all time.
I can never be lonely if you put your hand in mine. I can never be lonely if you walk with me this time. I can never be lonely if you promise you won't leave. I'll never be lonely.
Marriage is so much more than just a piece of paper. It's so much more than a ceremony. It's finding somebody that you're willing to get through this crazy thing we called life with together. I don't know that I've met a couple that I can just so blatantly see is so ready for that.